Section 1.3 focuses on algebraic expressions. In this section, we're really going to focus on the fact that you can represent some mathematical phrases and real-world quantities using algebraic expressions. In problem number 1, we're going to be modeling words with an algebraic expression. They want to know which expression would model the word phrase 7 fewer than a number t. Now, in these kinds of problems, what you want to focus on is the order in which they're saying this. So they want 7 fewer than t. That means that starting with some original number t, I want 7 fewer than that. So my answer here would be C. In the next problem, we're going to be evaluating an algebraic expression. So here they already gave us the expression and they're telling us what to substitute in for the variables. So all I'm going to do here, wherever I see an A, I'm going to replace with a -4, and wherever I see a B in that expression, I'm going to replace it with a 5. So what I'm going to do first is rewrite out my expression, substituting those values in for the variable. So I'll put down 7 times, instead of an A, I'm going to put -4 plus 4 plus 3. Instead of a B, I'm going to put 5 minus 8. Now I'll just go through the order of operations. So I'll do the parentheses first. -4 plus 4 will give me 0. 3 times 5 will give me 15. Minus 8. Now I know that anything multiplied by 0 is going to be 0, so this cancels out. Lastly, 15 minus 8 is going to give me a final answer of 7. In the next problem, we're going to work on modeling a situation. So this situation is talking about savings. You start with $20 and you're going to save 6 every week. What algebraic expression models the total amount that you save? How you're going to want to set this up is you're going to want to begin your expression with your starting amount. You're going to add the amount that you save times the number of weeks. Now they gave us what our starting amount is. They gave us the amount that you're saving, but we don't know the number of weeks that this is occurring over. So we're going to define a variable w as the number of weeks. So then lastly, I'm going to tie that all together and write an equation for it, or an expression. My starting amount's $20. I'm saving $6 per w weeks that I'm saving. Last but not least, we're going to talk about simplifying an algebraic expression. When I look to this problem to the right, I know that I'm going to have to simplify it because I see the same variables k and m in multiple places. So I know that something's not simplified when I see that. Once I combine like terms for this expression, I'm going to be done. I'm going to know that I'm simplified. So how I'm going to want to start this? I would want to distribute out any negatives or anything in front of the parentheses. So now I'm going to have -3k. This is going to change to -m as I'm distributing out that -1 in front of the parentheses. Plus 2k, and then this is going to turn into -8m. From here, everything's out of the parentheses, so I can just combine like terms. So in this step, I'm going to combine -3k and +2k. Since it's an expression, I'm not like moving anything to another side of an equation. I can just combine these. So -3 combined with +2, I'm going to have -1k, or just -k. Then I'm going to combine my m's. So I have a -m and then a -8m. -1 and -8 combined is going to leave me with -9m. So my final expression is going to be -k minus 9m.